Can I call it the Aston Martin phone? Wow, the customization is really so detailed, so detailed. This is the just released Realme GT Aston Martin F1 limited edition.
Wow, that name is really long. When I first saw this packaging, I thought Aston Martin had sent me a gift.
Don't you think this thing should be sent to all the car owners watching this? Until I saw Realme.
Oh, wow. Oh.
Familiar Martin green, familiar logo with Realme printed underneath. GT Aston Martin F1 limited edition. The side of the box also has Gan UAG printed on it, which is the first time I've seen it too.
I'm quite excited.
Wow, it's so tight. It opens like this with double doors.
Wow, this has a sense of ceremony. It slowly rises up. Did you see that? The top layer.
Oh, this is a book. Begins with a challenging breakthrough moment.
Oh, this is very collectible. I like this. Wow, this interface is so cool. This should be the appearance of the phone itself. Take a quick look at the item and peel off the plastic. Whoosh! You can see the middle frame is green, right? Now, let's move to the back of the device. Wow! This also has a sense of speed, you know? Especially these two lines on the sides. Like those little aerodynamic designs. Do you see it? In the middle is an Aston Martin emblem. Wow, the green in the blurred lens. The main focus is this green on the body. Isn't it very much like Martin green? Martin car owners in front of the screen, please comment on this green. I think this green is very well tuned. The side frame is also made green. And the power button has a sort of greenish yellow accent. I don't quite understand. Can any car owners explain what this is for? Let's power it on now. I heard the interface is heavily customized. The boot animation, cool! Let's not activate it yet. Friends, let's first look at the accessories. Whether a customized phone is well thought out depends greatly on the accessories. A black 100-watt Type A charging head and the data cable is black as well. This phone case is quite interesting. The phone case should be made of soft silicone. It simulates some carbon fiber textures on it, and there's a cutout in the middle. You see, isn't that the Aston Martin logo? Now let's put it on the phone. This place is so cool. Wait a moment. I heard there's also a very clever design detail. I need to take out this SIM ejector pin and have a look at it. Come on. Give me a close-up. Quick! Look. What is this? The silhouette of an F1 race car card pin. Laughter. Spot on. Spot on. I only noticed when registering the fingerprint. Look at this fingerprint icon. Isn't this the start button? Friends, get ready to enter the home screen. Oh, the wallpaper is specially customized, and they have deeply customized the icons on it. Not just the official ones, but also third-party ones. The theme store's icon, the App Store, with the same Aston Martin emblem.
Oh, this game center is actually a steering wheel. That's quite detailed.
Friends, take a look at this dynamic wallpaper. Doesn't it look like the effect of turning on a light? Let me show you this fingerprint unlock icon. Can you see it? There's a start logo on top, similar to a racing start button. Let's check if there's a custom charging animation. There! Oh! How about it? Right? We're all very familiar with the Realme GT because of its high cost-performance ratio.
The configuration of this phone has changed. First, it still features the 940 Plus flagship SoC and is equipped with a 7,200 mAh battery.
The focus is that on this phone, we see a configuration of 24 plus 1 terabytes.
This is definitely a grand slam. After. Why do they do collaborations, right? This phrase describes it well. Striving for ultimate performance release, as if on the racetrack.
I believe that after watching this video, many friends would say, the first Aston Martin for young people. I don't think so. I think our friends in the digital circle might get to know Aston Martin because of the Realme GT 7. Don't you think?
Bye.